Let's face it, programming is like a drug, but instead of side effects like dizziness or nausea, you get sleepless nights, caffeine addiction, and a weird habit of talking to yourself while debugging. It starts innocent enough. You're learning loops, writing simple scripts, feeling like a genius, but then it escalates. Suddenly, you're up at 2 a.m., chasing that one last bug like it owes you money. Here's how programming can sneakily turn into an obsession. 1. The problem-solving high. Every time you solve a tricky bug, or finally get that algorithm working, your brain hits you with a shot of dopamine, pure euphoria. It's the same feeling you get from leveling up in a video game, except this one makes you say things like, "I love the smell of semicolons in the morning." The catch? You're always chasing the next fix. I once spent 6 hours debugging a single line of code. When I fixed it, I was so pumped I forgot to eat. That's the moment I knew I was hooked. 2. The rabbit hole effect. Programming isn't just coding, it's Googling, Stack Overflowing, and just one more tutorialing until the sun comes up. You think you'll stop after fixing one thing, but then you find a new feature to add or a better framework to use. Before you know it, you've refactored your entire project twice and learned 3 new languages. It's never about needing to do it, it's about wanting to. You tell yourself this is the last thing, but deep down you know it's a lie. 3. When the code is life. You know you're in deep when everything reminds you of programming. Cooking, that's just a recipe, a step-by-step function. Cleaning your room, that's garbage collection. Relationships, well, let's just say your code editor gets more attention than your friends. How to stay balanced. Before this important tip, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Look, coding addiction isn't all bad, it's how you grow as a developer. But if you start hearing JavaScript jokes in your dreams, maybe it's time to take a break. Step outside, touch some grass, not the CSS kind. And remember that while code is important, so is everything else in your life. Your brain needs rest too. Debugging works better after sleep than at 4 a.m. with red eyes and 3 cups of coffee. Trust me on this one, future you will thank you.